Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude Code into Android Studio. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Android Studio, and then you need to hop onto the three lines or the main menu on the top left. After that, you need to navigate to Settings, as here right here. And now from the settings, you need to navigate to Plugins. You need to click on it, and now from the search bar, you need to search for Claude Code. Now you will have two or more than two options. The first one is the Claude Code beta from Anthropic. It is only a beta version, but it has been downloaded from 4.5 million people. You can try it right here. You need to click on it and then you need to click on install. And the second extension you can try is this one, CCGUI, which is Cloud or Codex. You can also try it. It has been downloaded from almost a million users. You can try it right here. After that, to start using Claude Code, you can actually try to open the Claude logo from here and you can actually start using Claude. Also, if this one didn't work with you well, you can try to use CCGI right here. And that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.